Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin HRM Pro Plus. First, let's get it set up. Begin by unpacking your new heart rate monitor. Make sure the CR2032 coin cell battery is properly inserted. Before wearing, moisten the two electrode pads on the back of the strap with water or electrode gel. Then, position the strap firmly around your chest, just below your pectoral muscles, ensuring a snug fit for accurate readings. Now let's pair your HRM Pro Plus with your preferred Garmin device. Keep the strap within 3 meters of your watch or cycling computer. Navigate to the sensor settings menu on your device. Select Add Sensor and then Heart Rate. Your device should quickly detect the HRM Pro Plus. Confirm the connection, and you're ready to start tracking your heart rate data seamlessly. The HRM Pro Plus is a powerful tool for tracking various metrics. It records not only your heart rate, but also advanced running dynamics like ground contact time and vertical oscillation, plus swim metrics. It can even store up to 18 hours of heart rate data when your paired device is out of range, like during a swim. All this data automatically syncs to your Garmin Connect account once your workout is complete. To ensure your HRM Pro Plus lasts for many workouts, proper maintenance is key. After each use, rinse the strap thoroughly with fresh water to remove sweat and chlorine. Hang it to air dry completely before storing. The CR2032 battery typically lasts about 12 months, so keep an eye on its charge. Avoid excessive folding or creasing to maintain the strap's integrity and ensure consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.